Starting out in digital marketing, these free tools will make your life so much easier. Hey, this is Colin, and digital marketing can feel so overwhelming, but with the right tools, can simplify everything. Let me introduce you to some of the best free resources that will help you in your journey without breaking the bank. Now, the first tool is AnswerThePublic. AnswerThePublic is great for content generation. This will help you come up with great content ideas. Why? How does it work? Well, AnswerThePublic will generate questions and topics that your audience is currently searching for. It's a goldmine for brainstorming blog posts, video ideas, and social media content. You simply just enter a keyword in your niche and find out what people are searching for. Then you use these questions as content ideas and as titles in your content or FAQ. Then number 2, the second tool is Google Trends. This helps you understand the market trends. Why is this one great? Well, Google Trends helps you by showing you the popularity of the search terms over time. It helps you identify seasonal trends and rising topics with your niche. Here's a tip. Compare multiple keywords to find out which ones are gaining traction. Then use this information to create relevant, timely content that matches your audience interests. Tool number 3, System.io. This is for funnel building and automation. This is great. System.io, this is an all-in-one tool platform that allows you to create funnels so you can send out email campaigns and even manage memberships. You can even use their templates to help save you time when creating these funnels. Start by creating a simple opt-in page, a landing page to capture emails, build your list, and promote affiliate offers to your list. You can get started with their free plan, so it's still very easy on the pocketbook. Get started without any cost. Now, number 4, Canva for design, graphic design. Canva is great. It is a must for designing social media posts and lead magnets, branding material. It's user-friendly and just packed with customizable templates that you could use as well. Here's a tip. You could use Canva to create thumbnails, customized content, branded content for your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, for your covers, and for your email templates as well. I think Canva is essential for digital marketers. So start using Canva today in your digital marketing campaigns with your branded material, and you'll see how great it is and simple to use for beginners as well. So if you want to see more results with your content marketing, you're going to want to watch this next video and see why consistency matters when it comes to your content marketing. And also, if you found value, make sure that you click like, comment, and subscribe to this video.